Let's go, go, go on a ride and enjoy this feeling inside. We're not sure what we will find, but we'll have a great time. So let's go see what we'll do and do it all, me and you. Welcome to Aaron Press the Button Parks.
Yeah, I guess the QEW is the Queen Elizabeth Way. All ways are the Queen Elizabeth ways.
Use the left 2 lanes to take the Queen Elizabeth Way exit.
I'm guessing towards Toronto and that part area.
That would make sense.
Continue on Queen Elizabeth Way for 69 kilometers.
Does anybody know what 69 kilometers are?
No.
Please let us know. We're gonna get lost fast. Okay, it's a bit rainy to see, but that's the Toronto skyline. You can see the CN Tower, kind of hazy in the back. Shannon was saying that this is better than the Chicago skyline.
I didn't say it was better, I just said it's very big. Like, when we're further away, it looks way more impressive than it does now.
Gotcha.
Because you can see more of it. It's like it goes way back there.
Gotcha. Cineplex. What were some of the, while I'm recording, some of the stores we saw that were kind of, there was like a sleepy...
There's a bunch of Dollaramas.
Yeah, Dollaramas.
The Hotel Sandman.
Yeah, the Sandman is the name of a hotel chain.
I've seen a lot of Swiss chalets.
We don't know what that is.
And I saw 2 Harveys, but then they disappeared.
Right, I thought that might
have... And we saw an open Toys R Us.
Oh yeah, so hopefully we'll make it into an open Toys R Us, because that'd be kind of cool. And they had...
All the Toys R Us outside of the US are open.
Oh, see, he knew that.
No, we were excited and you're not.
Yeah. And we saw a, look, I think it's like a Barnes & Noble's, and it was called Chapters. That was pretty cool. I think it'd be fun to go to a mall in Canada. Okay. There was a couple of them behind us, but these buildings are just strange. Are these all apartment complexes? Businesses?
What's
so much.
strange about them?
Look, there's so many of them, and I don't know, it just doesn't look like there's anything around. It's just big apartment complexes, and then underneath, well, you can't see it from here, but it just looks like that's all there is. Roads and these big apartment complexes.
Maybe there's like public transportation.
Yeah, I guess, but still, I've never seen anything like that before. It's like SimCity stuff.
Look at that cool train. I see the cool train.
Look at that cool train. It's
I see the cool train.
Yeah, I know.
It says go on it or something, or GQ.
It says go.
GQ, yeah, it's a GQ train.
It says go.
And Daddy said he's a megalomaniac.
I didn't say I was. I said I could relate to the brand of wine, which I don't like wine anyway, so.
Megalomaniac!
Alright, now.
It's different for once. It's different for once. Hey, Chinatown! Da-da-da.
Ripley's Aquarium? That's weird. Wonder if that's the same Ripley's that's...
It still looks like Sims.
Yeah, it does. Yeah. You're in 4.4 kilometers. We stay left to go on the Don Valley Parkway. What's that white thing over there?
Oh, there's a bridge between the 2 buildings.
I didn't see it.
Right there.
I didn't see it.
Right there.
I didn't see it.
Right there.
Wonder if that's where
Sim City, here we come.
Rogers Center. Oh, it looks like it's a auditorium of some sorts. No. Oh, that's where the Blue Jays play. Cool. Looks weird.
What are the Blue Jays anyways? Baseball?
Yeah, baseball.
That's weird.
Yeah, it is weird. That's what I was saying. That's why.
Why is it closed? Because it snows in spring.
Yeah. This is pretty cool, actually, driving like through the city on the expressway. That's kind of neat.
We're going down Michigan Avenue.
At 90 kilometers an hour.
Use the left 2 lanes to take the Don Valley Parkway exit.
Okay. Alrighty, we finally made it at the Ontario Science Center. Traffic was a little bad. It was the worst we've seen on this whole trip, actually. But it was nothing like too horrible, just stops and goes for a while. I know, Ontario. That's how they say it here, I think. We're into the museum now. I thought this was pretty cool. They show you the underneath of the escalator. So, oh, we got the tickets? All right, let's get the tickets and then eat. And then we'll explore. Child. You're a child? You're an adult. Actually, you're very much your child. The rainforest room. It's pretty. It's on the small side, but I mean, it's really weird for it to be in a science center. We're on floor 6, and they number things weird. Floor 6 is actually the bottom floor, we think. We don't know if there's a 7 or 8. But I guess, I mean, yeah. Popular place. I don't know if that's supposed to be there. Yeah, I thought that was an exhibit, but no, that's just a lot of bugs out in the forest. Isn't that great? You want to go out there? I bet Froggy Jr. and it would. Yeah. We are now in the rock paper science part of the museum. For the most part, I think this, out of all the science museums we've been to, this one caters to the under 12 crowd a little bit more than others. It's not bad by any means, it's just, for the most part, it's all kind of samey because we've been to so many science museums. But there's some things that are fun in here. Subscribe for more space.
I'm taking a nap. What's it?
Does it say I? Yeah, I think it does. Does it work it on the camera? I don't think so. They just started doing that. I mean, they just got lucky that that laser beam there was there to validate what they were doing. We're gonna go up to floors 1 through floor 4, and we still don't know the FOMO is real. What does that mean? The FOMO is real. Going up. There's one. It's kind of cool that it's like nestled in the Fall West. Why do you like this sign?
It says, Baker Bean Cafe, listen to coffee, I don't care about tea, but, and lasers. What is this?
Alright, I guess we're going there. Actually, I already see it, and they overhyped it by a lot. Now, Mommy's even more excited now because there's laser cut cross stitch. That's a little simple for you though, isn't it? Do you want a laser cut cross stitch?
No.
Neither do I. Why are all these earrings on the wall? Oh, they're not earrings. They're teeth? Eggs? I don't know what that is. Oh, right. Well then don't get one. They have 2 Tim Hortons in here. That makes sense. We're about heading out of the Science Museum. What did you think of the Science Museum? What?
I liked it.
Was it one of the better ones or one of the just okay ones?
Just okay.
Yeah, I agree. I think if you were like maybe 5 years younger, you'd have a great time in here. But there were still a few things for you to do, right? Yep. And off to us next is Centerville. And we're just going to take, well, you'll find out what we're going to do after these messages that don't exist. Well, no, we're going to have a science experiment. Aaron just learned in the science museum we were just in.
You just learned that?
Well, he learned what not to do, shake up a Coke bottle. I shouldn't have handed it to him. He was just like playing them like maracas. I guess he should have been paying a little bit more attention in there. Like, what was the first thing you said to me when we come out? Like you said, looking at the escalator?
Well, the building like super huge. I thought it was gonna be like huge because you kept going down the escalator for forever.
Yeah.
And I was like, wow, we're gonna be here for like 3 days. But no.
Yeah, it's just laid out. There's a lot of dead space and there's weird floors. And like I was telling earlier them that it's not really geared towards older. I think the 12 and under or the 10 and under crowd is much better suited for that place.
Oh yeah, because one whole floor is just for 8 and under.
Well, not well, in all the other exhibits, I don't think there's a whole lot for adults to enjoy or older teens. I mean, it was fine. I liked it. I'm glad it was free, but was that worth 60?
No.
Yeah. So we're off to our next spot now. After these messages again, sorry for more commercials, but we got to get not paid somehow. Whoa. Let's try that again. Hold on. Alrighty, what were you saying about this place?
Well, down here it looks like Chicago.
Oh, but what were you saying earlier?
Feels like I'm in Japan.
Yeah. Which one?
Because the buildings are all so similar.
Yeah.
Oh, look at now it looks like Chicago. It's just like, oh, there's a glass building, there's a
right, there's
one that looks
like a cathedral or something.
Relay building.
Yeah.
After we drove through the crazy Toronto traffic and finding a parking garage and getting a teeny tiny slip of paper that says you have paid and almost getting swindled by some taxi guys. I don't know if they were swindled or not.
They were good. They're just
Wanted taxis. We finally found this place that was 5 miles from where we parked.
At least.
We passed by 5 beaver tail stands. And we made it to the Centerville ferry. But it's really the Center Island. Look at all the life jackets. We're gonna drown. There's not enough life jackets for all the people on board.
Watch, we're on the wrong island. There's quite a few of them. Onto Island Park.
Are we on the wrong island?
No, we're not. It's just joking. We have to go around.
Which number now?
Alrighty, let's go. Let's go, go, go on a ride.
And figure out where it is.
Well, just look at the signs.
I don't see that.
Whatever. Yeah.
They actually have paper. So this is on service. Look what's crazy.
Yeah, they even have a phone book. That's. And, all right.
But I mean, this is where phone books we used to go. So you can look up what you wanted to.
We're at Centerville. It's another free to enter park.
Family of paper all day $138. And don't forget, it costs at least $40 just to get here. So now you're looking at $178. Well, that's Canadian dollars, but still, that's
So that's like 20 bucks. Alright, we'll show you more of the park. It's bigger than I thought it would be. Found this over here. Kermit Fogs. Ah, that's how they got around it. Swamp Shop. A bounce house. Cute sign though. Mommy's cheating and looking at the map before we fully explore it because Aaron and I just want to go on one ride, but Mommy wants to see if there's anything else that we might want to go on before we just buy the tickets.
That's cool.
By the way, I already know the answer.
This?
Yeah, that is pretty cool. That's neat.
You have to get more than one map.
Didn't you already?
No, I need more than 2 maps.
Oh, okay. Alright, here's the reason why we're here. Haunted Barrel Works. The dark ride. We'll see how awesome it is.
Better be worth it.
Hey, it better be worth it.
I'm just kidding.
Question ask me? What's your question?
Do you think it was worth it to go on that ride? Since you do all that just to go on that ride?
Yes. Did you?
No.
Did you, Mommy?
What did Aaron say?
He said no.
I mean, overall, yes. But
Yeah.
for just for that ride?
Oh, no. Just for the overall experience of coming here. Did you want to get that magnet or not?
What do you guys want? What do you think?
Nah.
Nah, that's fine.
I want to get some more maps.
Okay, grab some more maps. But I like the surprise ending. How Dracula got his head chopped off in the guillotine. Oops, spoiler. Sorry about that. You didn't like it at all? It wasn't nearly as scary as the Haunted Mansion one at Knoebels.
Yeah.
Well, now we're going to see if we can get a quick ferry back across and then head over to Canada's Wonderland, and hopefully we don't have a $200 ticket. Alrighty, we just left the Cville amusement park. We give it a solid D-, right? It's a small little park, really small. But now we're walking back to the ferry, and there's
a skyway though, so maybe they're a sea park.
what?
There's a skyway.
No, it just goes around. But anyway, here's the beautiful Toronto skyline. Yeah, Shannon thinks this looks like the Pokemon Pokemon City, Rhyme City. Yeah. Anyway, really pretty. We'll probably get a shot of this for sure. Yeah, the skyline's pretty cool. But it's no Chicago, obviously. Alright, that was only like 20 minutes. Traffic was a breeze getting here.
Yeah,
so...
right. Tell them what you learned on the way here.
Oh yeah, Toronto has the there's the sixth worst commute in the world. The only other 5 worse than them are like all in South America. Yeah, it was really bad.
Horrible.
Yeah, it was the worst traffic we've seen by far. Yeah, ever.
And I'm super tired today too.
Yeah.
And they're super aggressive.
Yeah.
And there's no left turn like
that's the worst thing about it. I don't know if it's a Canada thing or a Toronto thing, but yeah, there's no left arrows, so you just have to get lucky at the beginning or at the end to turn left, otherwise you're waiting for oncoming traffic and they never stop. Even at red lights. But anyway, we're here at Canada's Wonderland and I'm all by myself now. We're about to head in, have dinner, and she says we're gonna go to the hotel, but I bet you anything we're gonna ride a few coasters while we're here. That looks like fun.
Doesn't look nearly as
What?
when we were out there, it looked really tall.
Is that the same one?
Yeah.
But anyway, see? I didn't lie to you. Canada's Wonderland. Oh yeah, the line is pretty long. Oh. Wow. That's a really cool start opening one of the best well, as far as first glimpses into the park, I think it is. I think that's better than the Eiffel Tower. Yeah? Yeah.
Are they playing Memorial Galaxy here?
No, I'm just saying the first visual is pretty freaking cool. Alright.
Starbucks! And I'm so very tired.
Yes, we know. You want to get a Starbucks right now or do you want to eat dinner? Alright. Is it coming here? I don't think it'll come to Canada. Yeah. But anyway, there's the Coasters Drive-In. Every Cedar Fair park has one. I want to go on that later. But there's a crap ton of coasters here. Everywhere you look, there's like coasters. It's cool. But we're hungry, so we're gonna eat first and then we'll see what we do. That's a lot of koi. I think those are koi. Whatever they are, there are a lot of them. And they're hungry. And we can't feed them. So we don't have food. Alright. Onward and outward. Okay. Well, we just went on Behemoth?
Behemoth and Backlot Stunt Coaster. An exact clone of the one at Kings Island.
Except less effects.
I don't even remember what effects were there at Kings Island.
Well, the fire effect was working the day before we went on it, but when we went on it wasn't working. But the day we went on it, there was like shooting and whatever. There wasn't anything much major. Yeah, there was. And then we went on also Behemoth. It's kind of a lot like Intimidator.
I feel like it's a lot like the one at Kings Island too. I don't remember the name of it.
Yeah, it was a very familiar ride, but fun. It was good. Yeah, maybe. I won't go on Stunt Coaster again. We just got it for the credit, but it's Behemoth I'll go on again. Now we're off to the wooden coaster, I'm guessing, and looks like the dive coaster's nearby, so if the line's short, we'll do both. That's a cute ride that you can't see. Oh, is that what it is? A water ride?
No, the raft ride.
Oh, that's cute. And I'm guessing they don't have the Peanuts license. No, I don't think so either. Cville. Baby blue Batman. Baby Batman. It's on a one train operation, so hopefully the line is... Oh. Well, it's a baby Batman though.
Baby dark blue Batman.
How about just you two get the credit? Since it's only 2 across, it'll make it easier for you to sit. Okay. They say it's Planet Soupy. Silver Streak, that's what they're going on next. They say it's Planet Snoopy, but I haven't seen any Snoopy yet. I wonder where it is. Alrighty. They're on this coaster. I didn't want to go on it because it's only one train operation. They're in the front row. It's a one train operation. I didn't want to hold up the line, so if they're just 2-seaters, it's easier to find a seat. But as you can see, it's a half-empty train, so I was being pretty silly. But I mean, I kind of like this. That way Aaron can catch up to me on credits because I've been on almost every coaster he's been in this trip. So now he'll be 1 up on me this trip. Maybe 2, I can't remember. But either way, yeah. Ah, here's Planet Snoopy. Cool, yeah, their kids area is pretty impressive. Which one was a really good one? Was that Kings Island? Yeah.
Planet Snoopy?
Yeah. They have a mini golf in here. That's pretty cool. Yeah, that's right. Good memory. This is a cute little area.
Watch your funnel cake being made. Wow.
Ooh.
You want that, or you want to go over here?
The Ghoster Coaster.
Let's see what the Ghoster Coaster looks like. Alright, they're going on the Ghoster Coaster. That is pretty cool. It's going into a psycho type house. Looks like it's this wooden coaster. It looks like a decent kiddie wooden coaster. Like a, oops, it's dark in here. Looks like a decent coaster in general. Cool. Hey, they have a DQ here. That's pretty cool. And they have a boomerang. Not as cool. And listen to this song. I never heard this version of. Well, they had like a kids-friendly version of the song. It was actually pretty funny. But now we just got the instrumental part, so I just sound like an idiot right now. It's a Boo Blasters. I don't think they have the music for it though. If they do, I'll start recording again.
On our first dead end.
Yeah, so the feng shui cannot get a 10.
I thought it was gonna get a 10 for a second.
Yeah, for a second I thought so too. We just went on Boo Blasters. It was middle of the road Boo Blasters. It wasn't terrible, it was nice and quiet though. And when you shoot the Boo Blaster things, it doesn't make any noise, so I like that. We got about an hour left. We want to see how many more coasters we can close out the night with. I've never seen those before. Like instead of cars or little trains. That's actually, yeah, those are really cute. And I don't know where the swan boats turn around here. They don't go under the Rainbow Bridge.
The Candy Rainbow Bridge.
Yeah, the Candy Rainbow Bridge. But their kids area is pretty darn big.
Yeah, it is.
They got a lot of rides in there.
And
Cool.
purple swan, if you didn't know.
Yeah. You know, it's
Purple one.
Cedar Fair, all those Cedar Fair parks I've seen really cater to adults and kids really well. Something Six Flags really doesn't.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a wild mouse.
Is that my Raging Cajun?
No, it's not. That's just a wild mouse. Be quiet with you and Raging Cajun. It's not gonna happen.
Killed it!
We absolutely killed this park.
Right.
How many coasters did we go on? Like 8 or 9?
I don't know, I lost count.
Yeah, we'll have to look later and we'll give you the final count.
We only didn't go on 4 of them.
Yeah. And there's a bunch of coasters here. Where did Aaron go?
Aaron, where'd you go?
You like this park?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a good fun
What was
park.
your favorite coaster? I don't know, just gonna...
I don't know. I'm quite uncertain.
That Valkyrie one or whatever?
The Valkyrie one? And
I don't know, what is it actually called? The dragon one.
Was it Leviathan?
Leviathan,
Yeah.
yeah, not Valkyrie.
But I actually like that family train coaster that goes through the mountain. That was actually pretty cool.
What was that one called? Thunder Run?
Yeah, Thunder Runner, I think. But we'll give you a count of how many we actually went on today. But
Yeah, we need a map.
yeah, we crushed this park.
Yeah, we didn't get here till after 7 and we
Good
had
job, us.
dinner. And our dinner took a long time too.
Yeah, it did.
In like 2 hours we crushed this part.
We were wondering why all the lights were off. They do a night show. Cool. I guess we're gonna have to make our way around front. Catch up to mommy. Cedar Fair is such a good company. Today is going to be a little different. We are in room 322, but that's actually dorm room 322. We've got our own common area right here.
Full-size refrigerator, this nice big microwave.
And we
have two bedrooms, both with desks and a TV.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. And we have to share a bathroom with Aaron though. That kind of sucks, but whatever. But yeah, isn't that cool? This college campus rents out their dorm rooms as hotels.
In Canada, they do it a lot. There's like 12 around Toronto, and then there's one in Alberta and one.
Makes sense. I mean, I don't know why more don't do that.
I know.
Huh. And it was cheap too. And this is
super cheap. I think after taxes, only $78.
And you said there's what here? A game room?
There's supposedly a game room and a movie theater. I want to go explore.
Yeah, this is actually pretty fun. All right, Aaron. Let's go explore. I think this will be the last video, so why don't you press that button for another day? Well, no, I wasn't done talking. Press that button.
That's cute too. Did you notice that we have towel?
Oh, I thought you said a towel animal. Just towels. Yeah, that's good.
Still, instead of putting them in there, they have water.
Yeah, all right. Aaron, press the button for another day of fun tomorrow.